Are you wondering why all the videos posted about Sora 2 with real faces are only iPhones and not Samsung or Redmi? Let me explain. The current status of Sora 2 is just released for iPhone iOS in the US and Canada, requiring iOS 18 or higher. In the Wired article, it clearly states, for now, it's available only on iOS. The user guide from Skywork also states, right now, Sora 2 has a standalone iOS app. Android users need to use the official web version for now. That is, the face creation/cameo feature, upload video, film your face, currently only works officially on the iOS environment. Android is currently only accessible via the web or does not have a full native app. Why is that? Here are some possible reasons. Not something OpenAI has officially announced, but based on data and industry experience. High technical requirements, and face/language synchronization. Filming faces, recording speech, and then converting them into digital faces/cameos in AI videos requires complex image processing, voice, facial expressions, lighting, etc. iOS has more consistent hardware, camera, Face ID sensors, processing chips, than a wide range of Android devices with many variations. Therefore, the main deployment on iOS will be easier to control quality. Regulations and safety of facial images and biometric data. When users film their faces, register digital faces likeness, OpenAI needs to ensure privacy, data security, identity authentication. These requirements can be more complicated when deployed on many different Android platforms with diverse operating systems, versions, interfaces, and hardware. Starting on iOS helps reduce risk and test the first platform. Pure deployment, limited test market. Sora is currently in invite-only phase. The limited platform allows OpenAI to control the number of users, bugs, and security before expanding widely. When expanding later, there will likely be a full Android or web version. As the instructions say, Android users need to use the web version for now. Hardware compatibility and AI/video processing chip support. Video effects, lip, speech, face synchronization, and cameo processing require a lot of resources, GPUs/NPUs. iPhones with Apple Silicon or A-series chips have good compatibility and a relatively unified hardware standard. Android has a lot of different configurations, which makes ensuring the digital face feature works smoothly on all devices a big challenge. Summary: if you see that on iOS, you can use the face cameo feature in Sora, but not on Android. That is an expectation that matches the current implementation. OpenAI seems to have chosen iOS as the first platform to release this advanced feature, citing reasons of hardware control, data security, small testing before expanding. Android is still supported via the web or waiting for the official app. Recommended way for you. If you are on Android and want to try, check if you can access it via the official website, Sora.com, or sign up for the Android version. If you have an iOS device, you can change the App Store region, switch to US/Canada if you don't see the app, and enter the invite code when it is available. Always read the permissions section carefully. Camera, microphone, face recording/recording, as this is very sensitive data. Follow the channel to learn more useful information about AI. Good luck!